apps appears show you.
How to stop light flickering in iPhone video. So whenever you try to record a video and you are facing this light flickering or blinking, here's how to fix it. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on camera, and here tap on record video, and here you have to enable show PAL formats. And then if you want to record the video in 1080p, then you have to select this 1080p 25 fps PAL format. And if you want to record the video in 4K, then you have to select this format 4K 25 fps PAL format. Once you've selected, now go to your camera and start record your video, and you will see the flickering or blinking problem has been removed. This is how we can fix this issue. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.